Greetings to you. I hope you're ready to get this semester started. I wanted to just go over briefly how to access Canvas and do some basic navigations just in case this is your first online class. Basically, well, I'm going to change my screen here. Whenever you start looking for or searching on the website, always start at mjc.edu. Your email, your Starfish account, and Canvas have the same login info, basically your student email and your password. Once, if you're signed into your email account, if you click on Canvas once, you'll automatically enter your Canvas account, go on to courses, select the appropriate course, College Skills 100, and you're going to land on my homepage. Here you'll have my contact info, my email, my phone number. If you just click it, it's a hyperlink. It'll take you so that you can go ahead and send me an email if you need to. Here are my office hours via Zoom. So I'll provide you a link and during these particular days and times, with the exception of the first couple weeks or so, we're going to be all hands on deck helping and supporting the MJC chat. Basically, that's where the broader population of students are going to be popping by for questions and asking how to navigate certain tools and so forth and access certain resources. So I ask for your patience, but I will get back to you, okay? If you do send me an email or leave me a message. So regarding navigating Canvas, it's quite simple. After you don't pay, if you don't mind all these options here, they each have a place that they will take you to, but you don't need to go there through this menu option. The best way, if you find yourself that you accidentally clicked on one link and you're not too sure where it took you. So let's just say, you clicked here by accident and, not too sure, things seem out of order. Just always go back to modules. Modules provides a more concise overview for what's coming next as far as like assignments are concerned. So for us, the first week, we're just going to do the syllabus quiz. Please review the syllabus, which is right here. Click on the link, and then the syllabus is also through this link. Go back to modules. After you're done with the syllabus, then you can take the syllabus quiz. So I'm going to go back here to make this note here. So after you're done reading this syllabus, after it downloads, you can go ahead and click next. If you look at these, if you just hover over these buttons, they tell you what page you'll be taken to. So if I go back, it's going to be my greeting to the class. If I go forward, guess what? It's going to be to the quiz. That's where I want to go right after I finish the syllabus. And then once I'm done with the quiz, no big deal. I think it's just like 4 questions. I just want to be sure that you read the syllabus. Then I can go on to the next assignment, which is updating your profile in Canvas. So I'll select next. Next. There you go. So you will always be provided a set of instructions before any activity or assignment. So here are the instructions here. Here's some links that'll help you if it's not clear enough through this text. Here's my link for an example, or if you want to read my bio. Then what you want to do after you create it, you're gonna, on the left side of the mouse, you're gonna click and hold and drag. Once it's highlighted, you're gonna right click, copy, go back to the assignment, and you're going to be provided with a space here that says website URL, and go ahead and right click, and then it'll give you an option to paste. Alright, once you're done with that assignment, once again you can go to next. If you rather have this view under module, if this view seems more clear or makes more sense, then you by all means use this view versus going next or previous. Next or previous, you you can take it like the same way we would read a book, right? You want to move on forward to the next pages, go to next. If you want to go back to a page, go previous. And so for our first week is these welcome activities. And then I'd like for you to go into resources, see if you need to download Microsoft 360. And then also check out other online resources. And then if I want to give you guys the opportunity to get ahead on the reading, so just click here. The chapters will be will populate. You don't have to click on another link, but if you want to download it, you can click on the link and you can download it to your PC, all right, in a PDF format. I hope this is useful to you. I look forward to connecting with you and having some discussions and interactions with you. Talk to you soon.